Hello friends, welcome to Law Students Corner. This video contains solved question paper of CAT 2017 5A LLB Part 1. Question number 1. Who is the chairman of the 20th Law Commission of India? Option A. Justice Ajit Prakash Shah. Option B. Justice Sri Krishna. Option C. Justice Kadju. Option D. Justice K. Balakrishnan. Correct answer is option A. Justice Ajit Prakash Shah. Here you need to remember the present chairman of a law commission is Gorky Bakshi. Question number 2. Article 25 of the Constitution of India guarantees option A. Right to religion. Option B. Right to property. Option C. Right to life and liberty. Option D. Right to freedom of movement. Correct answer is option A. Right to religion. ബാക്കിയുള്ള ഓപ്ഷൻ്റെ ആർട്ടിക്കിൾ ഏതാണെന്ന് നോക്കാം. റൈറ്റ് ടു പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി കംസ് അണ്ടർ ആർട്ടിക്കിൾ 300A. റൈറ്റ് ടു ലൈഫ് ആൻഡ് ലിബർട്ടി ഈസ് ഇൻ ആർട്ടിക്കിൾ 21. റൈറ്റ് ടു ഫ്രീഡം ഓഫ് മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് ആർട്ടിക്കിൾ 19(1)(d). Question number 3. The Protection of Civil Rights Act came into force on option A. 19th December 1974. Option B. 19th November 1976. Option C. 19th December 1975. Option D. 19th November 1977. And the correct answer is option B. 19th November 1976. Question number 4. Right to travel is a fundamental right under option A. Article 19 of the Constitution. Option B. Article 21 of the Constitution. Option C. Article 14 of the Constitution. Option D. None of the above. Correct answer is option C. Article 14 of the Constitution. Given below are legal language phrases that are commonly used. Choose the correct meaning for each of the phrases. Prima facie. Option A. The most important. Option B. That which is main. Option C. At first view. Option D. The face that is young. Correct answer is option C. At first view. Question number 6. Sine die. Option A. Without setting a fixed day. Option B. By voice note. Option C. Applying mathematical concept to solve a difficult problem. Option D. Signing legal documents before death. Correct answer is option A. Without setting a fixed day. Question number 7. Bona fide. Option A. Identification card. Option B. Without doubt. Option C. In good faith. Option D. Indispensable condition. Correct answer is option C. In good faith. Question number 8. Status quo. Option A. Legally valid. Option B. Present condition. Option C. Social position. Option D. Side remarks. Correct answer is option B. Present condition. Question number 9. De jure. Option A. Here and there. Option B. As per law. Option C. Small details. Option D. In the same place. Correct answer is option B. As per law. Question number 10. Ab initio. Option A. From the very beginning. Option B. High initiative. Option C. Things done later. Option D. Without initiative. Correct answer is option A. From the very beginning. Question number 11. LEB. Option A. Everywhere. Option B. Elsewhere. Option C. Nowhere. Option D. Without any excuse. Correct answer is option B. Elsewhere. Question number 12. A person who goes underground or evades the jurisdiction of the court is known as option A. Offender. Option B. Underground. Option C. Absentee. Option D. Absconder. Correct answer is option D. Absconder. Question number 13. What is a caveat? Option A. A warning. Option B. An injunction. Option C. Writ. Option D. Certiorari. Correct answer is option A. A warning. Question number 14. Muslim religious foundations are known as option A. Din. Option B. Waqf. Option C. Ulema. Option D. Khuza. Correct answer is option B. Waqf. Question number 15. A person dying intestate means he, option A, died without legal heirs, option B, died without making a will, option C, died without any property, option D, died without a son. Correct answer is option B, died without making a will. Question number 16. The National Commission to Review the Working of the Constitution under the chairmanship of Justice Venkatachalaya was set up in the year option A 2002, option B 2004, option C 2003, option D 2000. Correct answer is option D 2000. Question number 17. Chief Election Commissioner is entitled to same salary and facilities that are provided to option A judge of Supreme Court, option B a judge of High Court, option C a member of Parliament, option D a member of State Legislative Assembly. Correct answer is option A judge of Supreme Court. Question number 18. Chief Election Commissioner is appointed by option A Prime Minister, option B Parliament, option C President, option D Vice President. Correct answer is option C President. Question number 19. The word socialist to the preamble of the Indian Constitution was added by the dash constitutional amendment. Option A 44th, option B 42nd, option C 25th, option D 24th. Correct answer is option B 42nd. Question number 20. Right to property is a legal right mentioned in which article of the Indian Constitution? Option A 332, option B 339A, option C 230D, option D 300A. Correct answer is option D 300A. Article 332. Reservation of seats for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in the legislative assemblies of the states. Article 339. Control of the Union over the administration of scheduled areas and the welfare of scheduled tribes. Article 230. Extension of jurisdiction of high courts to Union territories. Question number 21. Emergency provisions of Constitution of India are borrowed from option A Germany, option B USA, option C USSR, option D UK. Correct answer is option A Germany. Question number 22. Directive principles of state policy are taken from option A UK Constitution, option B French Constitution, option C USSR Constitution, option D Irish Constitution. Correct answer is option D Irish Constitution. Question number 23. Which Indian state was the first to be formed on linguistic basis? Option A Arunachal Pradesh, option B Haryana, option C Punjab, option D Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is option D Andhra Pradesh. Question number 24. Andhra Pradesh was created by taking Telugu speaking areas of option A Madras, Kerala, Bombay, option B Kerala, Bombay, Gujarat, option C Gujarat, Central Province of Kerala, option D Madras, Bombay, Central Province of Kerala. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് എനിക്കറിയത്തില്ല, ചെറിയൊരു കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു, എന്നാലും ഉറപ്പില്ല. ഞാനത് കൺഫേം ചെയ്തിട്ട് പറയാം. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നോക്കാം. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 25. ചെയർമാൻ ഓഫ് ദി ഫസ്റ്റ് ലോ കമ്മീഷൻ ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യ വാസ് ഓപ്ഷൻ എ പി ഷാ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി HR ഖന്ന, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി MC സ്റ്റെവാർഡ്, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി YV റെഡ്ഡി. കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ ഈസ് ഓപ്ഷൻ സി MC സ്റ്റെവാർഡ്. Question number 26. Choose the odd one out. Option A pond, option B tank, option C lake, option D brook. Correct answer is option B tank. Question number 27. Choose the odd one out. Option A bracelet, option B ring, option C ornament, option D bangle. Correct answer is option C ornament. Question number 28. Choose the odd one out. Option A shirts, option B spectacles, option C trousers, option D socks. Correct answer is option B spectacles. Question number 29. Choose the odd one out. Option A, archaeology. Option B, gynecology. Option C, ophthalmology. Option D, dermatology. Correct answer is option A, archaeology. Question number 30. Choose the odd one out. Option A, engagement. Option B, funeral. Option C, wedding. Option D, reception. Correct answer is option B, funeral. Question number 31. In a mixture of 60 liters, the ratio of milk and water is 2:1. If this ratio is to be 1:2, then what is the quantity of water to be further added? Question ഞാൻ വർക്കൗട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കുക. കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ ഈസ് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി, 60 liters. Question number 32. A bicycle marked at rupees 1500 is sold for rupees 1350. What is the percentage of discount? Option A 20, option B 15, option C 13, option D 10. Question ഞാൻ വർക്കൗട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ ഈസ് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി 10. Question number 33. In a class of 45 students, a boy is ranked 20th. When 2 boys joined, his rank was dropped by 1. What is his new rank from the end? Option A 25th, option B 26th, option C 27th, option D 28th. Workout ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ correct answer option C 27th. Direction. Question numbers 34 to 36. Study the figure given below of the professors and their subjects and answer the questions that follow. Question number 34. Which one of the following disciplines has the highest ratio of males to female professors? Option A, physics. Option B, mathematics. Option C, chemistry. Option D, economics. Correct answer is option A, physics. Question number 35. What percentage of all psychology professors are females? Option A 40%, option B 50%, option C 60%, option D 70%. Correct answer is 60%. Question number 36. If the psychology professors in the university constitute 2% of all the professors in the university, then what is the number of professors in the university? Option A 400, option B 500, option C 600, option D 700. Correct answer is option B 500. Question number 37. The sequence follows a regular pattern. Find the correct letter for the question mark to complete the sequence. C, E, I, K, O, Q. Option A, R. Option B, S. Option C, T. Option D, U. Correct answer is option D, U. Question number 38. 3 numbers are in the ratio 1:2:3. The highest common factor is 12. Find the numbers. Option A 12, 24, 36. Option B 24, 48, 72. Option C 12, 24, 48. Option D 48, 60, 72. Correct answer is option A 12, 24, 36. Question number 39. Geeta is older than her cousin Meena. Meena's brother Vipin is older than Geeta. When Meena and Vipin visit Geeta, they like to play chess. Meena wins the game more often than Geeta. Based on the above information, 4 conclusions as given below have been made. Which one of these logically follows from the information given above? Option A. While playing chess with Geeta and Meena, Vipin often loses. Option B. Geeta is the oldest among the three. Option C. Geeta hates to lose the game. Option D. Meena is the youngest of the three. Correct answer is option D. Meena is the youngest of the three. Question number 40. A, B, C, D and E belong to 5 different cities P, Q, R, S and W. Not necessarily in that order. Each one of them comes from a different city. Further, it is given that 1. B and C do not belong to Q. 2. B and E do not belong to P and R. 3. A and C do not belong to R, S and W. 4. D and E do not belong to Q and W. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Option A. C belongs to P. Option B. D belongs to R. Option C. A belongs to Q. Option D. B belongs to S. Correct answer is option D. B belongs to S. Question number 41. The length of a chain used by the boundary of a semicircular garden is 72 meters. What is the area of the garden? Option A 74 meter, option B 91 meter, option C 126 meter, option D 308 meter. Correct answer is option D 308 meters. Question number 42. Find the least number which when divided by 5, 6, 7 and 8 leaving a remainder 3 but when divided by 9 leaves no remainder. Option A 1677, option B 1683, option C 2523, option D 3363. Correct answer is option B 1683. Question number 43. A person's present age is 2/5 of the age of his mother. After 8 years, he will be 1/2 of the age of his mother. How old is the mother at present? Option A 40, option B 42, option C 45, option D 48. Correct answer is option A 40. Question number 44. In a certain code, Noida is written as 39658. Then how will India be written? Option A 36568, option B 63568, option C 63569, option D 65368. Correct answer is option B 63568. Question number 45. X and Y can complete a piece of work in 24, 6 and 12 days respectively. If they work together, in how many days they will complete the same work? Option A 1 by 24th day, option B 7 by 24th day, option C 24 by 7 days, option D 24 by 11 days. Correct answer is option B 7 by 24 days. Direction for question numbers 46 to 48. Examine carefully the following statements and answer the 3 questions that follow. Out of 4 friends A, B, C and D, A and B play football and cricket, B and C play cricket and hockey, A and D play basketball and football, C and D play hockey and basketball. Question number 46. Who does not play hockey? Option A D, option B C, option C B, option D A. Correct answer is option D A. Question number 47. Who plays football, basketball and hockey? Option A D, option B C, option C B, option D A. Correct answer is option A. Question number 48. Which game do B, C and D play? Option A basketball, option B hockey, option C cricket, option D football. Correct answer is option B hockey. Question number 49. A jewel thief running at 8 km per hour is chased by a policeman whose speed is 10 km per hour. If the thief is 100 meters ahead of the policeman, then the time required for the policeman to catch the thief will be option A 2 minutes, option B 3 minutes, option C 4 minutes, option D 6 minutes. Correct answer is option B 3 minutes. Question number 50. If the rate of a simple interest is 12% per annum, then find the amount that would get interest of rupees 6,000 per annum. Option A rupees 82,000, option B rupees 50,000, option C rupees 72,000, option D rupees 45,000. Correct answer is option B, rupees 50,000. Question number 51. 3 solid metal cubes whose edges are 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm are melted and a new cube is made. Find the length of edge of the new cube. Option A 12 cm, option B 24 cm, option C 20 cm, option D 48 cm. Correct answer is option A 12 centimeters. Question number 52. In a rare coin collection, there is 1 gold coin for every 3 non-gold coins. 10 more gold coins are added to the collection and the ratio of gold coins to non-gold coins would be 1:2. Based on the information, the total number of coins in the collection now becomes option A 90, option B 80, option C 60, option D 50. Correct answer is option A 90. Question number 53. A sum of rupees 700 has been used to give 7 cash prizes to the students of a college for their overall academic performance. If each cash prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, what is the least value of the prize? Option A rupees 30, option B rupees 40, option C rupees 60, option D rupees 80. Correct answer is option B rupees 40. Question number 54. Out of 120 applicants for a post, 70 are male and 80 have a driver's license. What is the ratio between the minimum to maximum number of males having driver's license? Option A 1 to 2, option B 2 to 3, option C 3 to 7, option D 5 to 7. Correct answer is option C 3 to 7. Question number 55. In a garrison, there was food for 1000 soldiers for 1 month. After 10 days, 1000 more soldiers joined the garrison. How long would be soldiers be able to carry on with the remaining food? Option A 25 days, option B 20 days, option C 15 days, option D 10 days. Correct answer is option D 10 days. Question number 56. The tank full petrol in Tarun's motorcycle lasts for 10 days. If he starts using 25% more every day, how many days will the tank full petrol last? Option A 5, option B 6, option C 7, option D 8. Correct answer is option D 8. Question number 57. A person can walk a certain distance and can drive back in 6 hours. He can also walk both ways in 10 hours. How much time will he take to drive both ways? Option A 2 hours, option B 2.5 hours, option C 5.5 hours, option D 4.5 hours. Correct answer is option A 2 hours. Direction question numbers 58 to 61. Read the following statements and answer the 4 questions that follow. 5 cities P, Q, R, S and T are connected by different modes of transport as follows. P and Q are connected by boats as well as rail. S and R are connected by bus and boat. Q and T are connected by air only. P and R connected by boat only. T and R are connected by rail and bus. Question number 58. Which mode of transport will help one to reach R starting from Q but without changing the mode of transport? Option A boat, option B rail, option C bus, option D air. Correct answer is option A boat. Question number 59. If a person visits each of the places starting from P and gets back to P, which of the following places must he visit twice? Option A Q, option B R, option C S, option D T. Correct answer is option B R. Question number 60. Which one of the following pairs of cities is connected by any of the routes directly without going to any other city? Option A P and T, option B T and S, option C Q and R, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option D none of the above. Question number 61. Between which two cities among the pairs of cities given below are there maximum travel options available? Option A Q and S, option B P and R, option C P and T, option D Q and R. Correct answer is option A Q and S. Direction question number 62 to 64. Read the following passage and answer the questions. A tennis coach is trying to put together a team of 4 players for the forthcoming tournament. For this, 7 players are available, males A, B and C and females W, X, Y and Z. All players have equal capability and at least 2 males will be there in the team. For a team of 4, all players must be able to play with each other, but B cannot play with W, C cannot play with Z, and W cannot play with Y. Question number 62. If Y is selected and B is rejected, the team will consist of which one of the following groups? Option A, C, W and Y. Option B, A, C, H and Y. Option C, A, C, Y and Z. Option D, A, W, Y and Z. Correct answer is option B, A, C, H and Y. Question number 63. If B is selected and Y is rejected, the team will consist of which one of the following groups? Option A, B, C and W. Option B, A, B, C and Z. Option C, A, B, Z and X. Option D, A, W, Y and Z. Correct answer is option C, A, B, Z and X. Question number 64. If all the 3 males are selected, then how many combinations of 4 members teams are possible? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Correct answer is option B 2. Question number 65. The music director of a film wants to select 4 persons to work on different aspects of the composition of a piece of music. 7 persons are available for this work. They are Rohit, Tanya, Shobha, Kaushal, Kunal, Mukesh and Jaswant. Rohit and Tanya will not work together. Kunal and Shobha will not work together. Mukesh and Kunal want to work together. Which of the following is the most acceptable group of people that can be selected by the music director? Option A, Rohit, Shobha, Kunal and Kaushal. Option B, Tanya, Kaushal, Shobha and Rohit. Option C, Tanya, Mukesh, Kunal and Jaswant. Option D, Shobha, Tanya, Rohit and Mukesh. Correct answer is option C, Tanya, Mukesh, Kunal and Jaswant. Question number 66. 5 people A, B, C, D and E are seated about a round table, every chair equidistant from adjacent chairs. 1. C is seated next to A. 2. A is seated 2 seats from B. 3. B is not seated next to A. Which of the following must be true? D is seated next to B and E is seated next to A. Option A 1 only. Option B 2 only. Option C both 1 and 2. Option D neither 1 or no 2. Correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Question number 67. Consider the following figure 1, 2, 3, 4. ഈ ഫിഗർ നോക്കുക, ഇതിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത ഫിഗർ എന്താണെന്നുള്ളതാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഫിഗർ അനലൈസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇതിനകത്ത് 2 എലിമെൻ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. ഒന്നൊരു സെമി സർക്കിളും ഒന്നൊരു ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഷേപ്പിലുള്ള എലിമെൻറ്റ്. അതിൻ്റെ മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് പാത്ത് നിങ്ങൾ ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യണം. എന്നാലേ അത് ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ചെയ്ത പാത്ത് കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അടുത്ത 5th ഫിഗർ ഏതാണെന്ന് ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഞാൻ ആ പാത്ത് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, 5th ഫിഗർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ്. Question number 68. Consider the following diagrams. X men working at constant speed do a certain job in Y days. Which one of these diagrams show the relation between X and Y? ഗ്രാഫ് നോക്കുക, 4 ഗ്രാഫ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ഡയഗ്രാം 1, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ഡയഗ്രാം 2, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ഡയഗ്രാം 3, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ഡയഗ്രാം 4. ഞാൻ ആ റീസൺ എല്ലാം സ്പെസിഫൈ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ ഈസ് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ഡയഗ്രാം 4. Question number 70. Find the odd number pair. Option A 183, 54. Option B 99, 63. Option C, 108, 97. Option D, 243, 132. Correct answer is option C, 108, 97. Question number 72. Sanjit faces towards north, turning to his right. He walks 10 meters. He then turns to left and walks 30 meters. He moves 25 meters to his right and again to right through 50 meters. Finally, he turns to right and moves 40 meters. In which direction is he now from his starting point? Option A, southeast. Option B, northeast. Option C, southwest. Option D, northwest. Correct answer is option C, southwest. Question number 73. Mohan is 18 from either end of a row of boys. How many boys are there in that row? Option A, 26. Option B, 32. Option C, 24. Option D, 35. Correct answer is option D, 35. Question number 74. In a class of 60, where boys are twice that of girls, Ramya ranked 17th from the top. If there are 9 boys ahead of Ramya, how many girls are after her in the rank? Option A, 26. Option B, 12. Option C, 10. Option D, 33. Correct answer is option B, 12. Last question in part 1. Question number 75. What should come in the place of question mark in the given series? A, C, E, F, G, H, question mark, P, O, N. Options are option A, K, K, K. Option B, J, K, I. Option C, H, J, H. Option D, I, K, L. ഇനി പ്രോബ്ലം സോൾവ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. കറക്റ്റ് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഈസ് ഓപ്ഷൻ എ, കെ കെ കെ. പാർട്ട് 1 നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏതെങ്കിലും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ് ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ ഇട്ടാൽ മതി.